Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to create Exodus wallet account. Exodus is a popular cryptocurrency wallet known for its user-friendly interface and support for a wide range of cryptocurrencies. Now here's how to create an Exodus wallet account. First, you have to download and install the app. If you're using a mobile phone or a mobile device, download the Exodus app from the Apple App Store if you're using iOS, or the Google Play Store if you're using an Android device. If you're using a desktop or a PC, you need to download the Exodus desktop app from exodus.com, which is the official Exodus website. Once you've downloaded and installed it, the next thing you're going to do is to launch the Exodus app on your device. Then you have to create a new wallet. Onboarding. You'll be guided through a series of onboarding screens to help you choose a strong, unique password to protect your wallet. So choose one after creating a new wallet. After this next step is to generate seed phrase. This is the most crucial step. Exodus will generate a 12-word seed phrase. Write it down carefully on a piece of paper and store it securely offline. It is the only way to recover your wallet if you lose access to your device. Do not screenshot or save it digitally. Now, Exodus will ask you to re-enter the 12-word seed phrase in the correct order to verify that you've written it down correctly. Next, you can set up biometric authentication. That is optional, where you can enable fingerprint or face recognition for added security. Next, you have to explore the wallet. Once your wallet is set up, you can start exploring its features. Send and receive crypto to and fro other wallets, and you get to exchange one cryptocurrency for another within the Exodus app. You can also stake supported cryptocurrencies to earn rewards. After this, you manage your portfolio by tracking the value of your cryptocurrency holdings. Important security tips. Use a complex password that is difficult to guess. Install your seed phrase offline in a safe place. Beware of phishing. Be cautious of phishing attempts that may try to steal your seed phrase. And keep your software updated. Regularly update the Exodus app to ensure you have the latest security patches. By following these steps, you can create an Exodus wallet account and start managing your cryptocurrency assets securely. Thanks for watching.